Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by locking a narrow research question. That focus drives everything. Once chosen, list 2 concrete contributions you aim to claim and justify why they matter. Next, gather 5-10 core papers and annotate methods, baselines, and datasets. This creates your literature scaffold. Simultaneously, draft a simple timeline with 1-week sprints and milestone demos so progress is visible. Do these now, because early structure prevents scatter. Make sure to record quick notes for later sections and experiments. With foundations set, implement reproducible experiments. Log hyperparameters, random seeds, and evaluation metrics. Automate runs where possible. While experiments run, draft the methods section with clear algorithm pseudocode, assumptions, and time/space complexity. This saves rewrite later. Once you have initial results, iterate deliberately. Perform ablation studies, test baselines, and refine hypotheses based on what fails. Make sure to align figures and tables to your narrative, and mark points where additional experiments will strengthen claims. As you finish, craft the introduction to frame your 2 contributions succinctly, and rewrite related work to position novelty versus prior art. Prepare clean figures with self-contained captions and finalize tables. Ensure format matches the target venue checklist. Then perform a read-aloud review to catch clarity and flow issues, and simulate reviewer objections to patch weaknesses. If experiments are unstable, reproduce the top 3 runs, check seeds, and simplify settings. This troubleshooting often reveals flaky code or mislabeled data.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.